Go to MealsAI.com, sign in with Gmail. Set parameters for your recipe, for example, ingredients or dietary restrictions, and select number of people. You can easily make recipes from whatever is in your fridge, or a recipe with a max preparation time. Best use cases for this software is probably to spark creativity or when you have very specific criteria for a recipe. You can also look through all recipes created on the platform for even more inspiration. Pricing: $5 per month for unlimited recipes. You can try out 3 recipes without subscribing. Pros: simple and clean UI. Creative, cheap. Cons: you may be able to do most of what it does with other AI chat software. Subscribe for regular updates on useful AI software. Thank you.